Next is my methods of describing fluid motions. So what are the different methods that are used to describing the fluid motion? So basically there are two approaches by which we are describing the fluid motion. First one is my Lagrangian approach and the second one is my Eulerian method. Okay. So basically in case of my Lagrangian approach, we are following the individual particles and we are calculating the motion, velocity and acceleration of the individual particle. Whereas in case of my Eulerian method, the velocity, pressure, density, etc. are defined at a single point. In case of my flow field, I give you a simple example. Suppose in this pipe, what is my Lagrangian approach? What is my Eulerian approach? So by this example, you can easily understand. Suppose in this pipe, a fluid is flowing in this direction. Okay. And in one method, we are tracking the individual particles. Suppose this is my particle A and this is the path that is traveled by the particle A. This is my particle A. This is the trajectory motion profile for the particle A. Okay. So we are tracking the particle A and in each and every point we are calculating the pressure of the particle A, acceleration of the particle A. So we are talking about the individual particle. Okay. So in Lagrangian approach, we are tracking the individual particle. Whereas in case of Eulerian method or Eulerian approach, we are just deciding, suppose we are deciding this point. Okay. Or this point. Or this point. Suppose this is my point B, C and D. So we are tracking at single point the velocity of the particle, the acceleration of the particle, the density of the particle, and we can calculate different properties at a single point. Okay. So we are not tracking the individual particle, we are just fix the point, and in this point whatever the particle is pass out, okay, we are tracking the velocity, acceleration, density, and we are calculating different types of properties. Okay. So generally in case of my fluid mechanics, we are adopting the Eulerian method. Okay. I am writing down in summarized manner. In Lagrangian approach, we are tracking the individual particle. But in case of Eulerian method, the properties are calculating properties and velocity or acceleration, calculating at a point in flow field. So what is my flow field? So in this pipe, the flow is occurring. So it means that the flow field is my this pipe. Okay.